Everyone's talking about AI, but most of what you're hearing, it's noise. Anyone can understand it, anyone can use it, and once you see what it actually is, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's break it down. From the beginning, no jargon, just clarity. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You're already using AI. Every single day. When your phone finishes your sentence, AI. When Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch, AI. When your GPS reroutes you around traffic in real time, AI. When you unlock your phone with your face, AI. It's already woven into your life. You just didn't know it had a name. That's all artificial intelligence really is. A system that learns from patterns and uses that learning to help you. That's it. No magic. No mystery. But here's where it gets exciting. What's happening right now, in this moment, is different from anything before. AI is stepping out of the background and becoming your partner. Imagine having a personal assistant that's always ready, that can write your emails, organize your schedule, help you start a business, create content, translate languages, tutor your kids, manage your finances, and it's available to everyone. Everyone. That's the real shift. AI is becoming the great equalizer. The tools that used to cost thousands of dollars and require entire teams, they're now in your pocket. For free. Or close to it. This is about amplifying what makes us human. The student who couldn't afford a tutor? Now they have one. The single parent with a business idea? Now they have a team. The creative who couldn't afford a studio? Now they have one in their laptop. AI is proactive, and it removes the barriers around your humanity. We are living through the biggest technological shift in human history, and for the first time, it belongs to everyone. This is for you. AI is already changing your life. The only question left is yours. Will you learn to use it, or will you let the moment pass? Start here. Start now.